Hi everyone, welcome once again to IvyProSchool's channel. I hope you have watched our previous videos of SQL series. Today we will take up the simple concept of in, not in and between operator in SQL. The in operator allows you to specify a list of value in the where clause. Previously, we had filtered the rows based on only one value, but that is not the case always. When we have multiple options, that is multiple or condition in the where clause, then we can use the in operator. Let us take an example to understand. Here we have a table named games, which shows the players, the countries, and the matches played. If we are supposed to find all the players of the countries, that can be Germany or Argentina or France. So if the country is any one of these three, it should list those players. So without using the in operator, if we are supposed to write a query for this, then it will be select players, comma country from games where the country is equal to Germany or the country is equal to Argentina or country is equal to France. So here we have to write the same line for three times. Instead, we can use the in operator to make it more shorter and simpler. Let us see how we can do that in the MySQL Workbench. So we will write the query, select player, comma country from games where country in, and instead of writing the country and the country name in multiple lines, we will give all the country names, that is all the option in one bracket. And in this way, our query becomes shorter. And here we get the results. Let's take another example. Here I have a database named item cust and it has got a table named items ordered. And my question is display only those records where the customer ID is among these three customer IDs. So I'll write the query as select star from item cust items ordered where the customer ID in, and then we'll write all the three customer IDs. Here we need not give the inverted commas like we had given in the previous because these are integers. And then we'll run that. So we are getting only those record which has matched the customer IDs. After the in operator comes the not in operator. Its function is exactly like the in operator, just the difference is that it excludes the record that fall in the specified value. Let us check that. We will go to our games database once again. And here our question is find the players who do not belong to the countries Germany, Argentina, and France. So it is just the opposite of the first query which we had done. So we will write the same query. Just instead of in, here we will use not in because we are supposed to exclude the players of these countries. And we can copy paste this. And then we'll run that. So we are getting only those players who do not belong to those countries. Next is the between operator. We use it to display only those records which fall in between the range specified by us. We should use it when we have to work with an upper limit and a lower limit, and these ranges can be either numeric or dates. Let us understand with the help of an example. Here we are required to find the players who have played at least 9 matches or at most 15 matches. So we have a range here from 9 to 15 and both are inclusive. So without the between operator, our query would have looked like select players, comma, matches played from games where the matches played is greater than equal to 9 and the matches played is less than equal to 15. So here we have to mention the upper and the lower limits separately. Instead, we can use our between operators. Let us see. So here I will write select players, comma, matches played. So here I will give the column name matches played in ticks because the column name contains a space. And that will be from games where the matches played is between 9 and 15. So here it should be noted that both 9 and 15 are included in the range. And here's the result. Let us take another example where we will work with a date range. So here our question is display the records where the date ranges from 1st July 1999 till 31st August 1999. So we will select star from the table where the new date is between, and then we will give the date in double quotes. And also make sure that we give the date in the correct format in which the SQL understand. So it should be first the year and then the month and then the date. And then we'll run that. So we are getting only those records which fall in the range. This was all about in, not in, and between. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.